Welcome back to my channel. Yay! So today we're gonna draw a girl in the rain. So the colors we'll use are kind of like a lightish, darkish blue, light blue. Normal I do with a pencil, but today I'm gonna use a gray marker. So I'll just put it right here. Light orange, but if you don't have a light orange, you can just use a normal orange. Yellow, light green, light pink, red, and light brown and purple. So let's get started. So first we're gonna draw the eyes. If you want, you can do small, but I'm gonna do a little bit big. You can do it how big as you want. Wait. Now let's do something like this. Okay, now let's color this. Okay, now on the other one. Okay, and now let's do the eyelashes. So first we're gonna draw two wonky lines. If you want, you can do more eyelashes, but I'm gonna leave it like this. You know what? I'm also gonna do more. A little bit more on the bottom. Perfect. And now let's do the little nose. If you want, you don't need to do a nose, but if you want, you can also copy me. So we do like this, and like this. Okay. And now let's start with her hair. So first we're gonna draw this like this, all the way here, and then here. And let's do this side only a little bit bigger. Okay, and now we're gonna draw a hair behind her cheek. So we're gonna draw something like this, and then more curlier. We take this, and I take this. So, and now let's start with the hair. So let's do something like this, but let's also do the up hair, top part. Okay, and now let's do this. Same on the other side. Well, we don't have to do that. So let's go here and there. Right. And now let's do it on here. So like that, and then it kind of looks like a cherry. Makes me hungry. Let's do a little flower here. Well, if you want, you can do a heart here. Okay, now let's start with her neck. Wait, let's also do this. Okay, now let's draw her neck like this. And let's go here. And then let's do her arms behind her. Well, we're only gonna do one. So we're gonna do it like this, and attach it more, and let's do this. We're also gonna do a line here, but we're not gonna do it behind her. And if you want, you can do stripes here, but I'm gonna do stripes. So I want her to hold her backpack. So it's gonna be like this, the ankle of her backpack. But first, let's do her hand. Well, it usually looks like kind of like a purse, but we're gonna fix that. And now let me draw her legs. Perfect. The grass, we don't have to do it that big. I'm just gonna do like this. Okay, and now let's draw the raindrops. Oh yeah, I forgot. She's also gonna take an umbrella, but it's not gonna be in her head. On top of her head. It's gonna be on side of her shoulder. And now let's finish the raindrops. You'll make a lot of raindrops. But if you don't know how much are there, you can just count it and pause the video if you need some more time. Well, I did more raindrops I don't usually do a lot of raindrops, but today I'm gonna. Okay, and what we need now? Let's just make her some lips. And now let's get started on the coloring. So for the lips, we're gonna do light pink, of course. And let's do the colors of the umbrella. La la la. Yeah, that's what I usually sing. Sun, sun, sun. Slee, 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 slee. Sticka, sticka, stick. Slee, slee, wee, wee. Sa, 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 sa. Tuku, 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 tuku. What color should I make her bag? Wait, I'm gonna make something else with. Well, my bag is like white and has like birds around, but it's actually more like this. But I'm gonna do it smaller because it's just a painting. Okay, now for the bag. Well, I'm gonna make my favorite color. It's purple. And the water bottle is also purple. Well, it's lighter. Look, now this went lighter. Okay, now went darker. Well, I'm gonna tell you something. You would have to copy my colors, but if you don't have a choice, then you can just copy mine. Okay, and now let's do the hair. Well, we're not gonna color the rubber, we're just gonna do this. Okay, and now let's take glue and color the rubber band. Well, you can do the rubber band the color that you like. Okay, but now I'm gonna do the shirt pink, like that. Well, the reason that I like purple is then this pink, sometimes it's too bright, while yellow is too bright. Well, when it makes it darker, it's also kind of too dark. Or purple is too dark too. Well, I'm gonna tell you the reason. Like the pink is too girly. So, and it's it annoys my eyes. And that's why, but sometimes I like the pink. Okay, now let's color shorts. But these things, we're not going to color on those. But watch out for the holes. And And what color should we do this? Let's just do normal gray. Because, you know, every umbrella has this thick gray. Every umbrella, not even a single one doesn't have one. That doesn't count. Okay, and what color should we do this? Nora blue. Well, this is also beautiful. This color is also nice. So, I kind of like yellow, purple, and blue, very light pink, and light green, and that's all. So, the drawing is finished, and I will show you. Do you like it? If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe because I like you to subscribe me. Okay, it's the end of the video, so I have to say goodbye to you. Well, goodbye friends. Just bye.